Hi, I'm so sorry. I'm talking a little bit too much, so let's just try and wrap this up. I was looking at these last ones when I got cut off. So I was just saying, giving a human example for the temporal isolation might be if you go out and are looking for, a nice person, a potential significant other during the morning. So you're walking in the piazza looking for someone, okay, trying to meet people, and then at night someone else is going out, and maybe even in the same piazza, but it's just a timing issue, so you might never meet each other. Okay, so if that's the case, then there's some separation there, and that's preventing you from reproducing to make fertile offspring with that other member of the species. And then at the very bottom, we're going back to that hybrid sterility. So this was the issue again between the horse and the donkey. So the horse and the donkey mate and they make a mule, but the mule itself is generally sterile or infertile. So there's a problem with gene flow, so they can't reproduce to have their own babies. So even if you tried to mate a mule with a mule, they couldn't have a baby. If you tried to mate a mule with a horse, then it would most likely be no baby. And a mule and a donkey would also be no baby. So since there's no flow of genes into future generations, then the horse and the donkey are just considered to be separate species. Okay? So we'll see that humans have some influence on gene flow just because they can create separations between groups of organisms or between populations of organisms, which can create some interesting conservation challenges. Um, I would like you to take notes. I mean, they say, so research says that if you draw pictures, you'll actually help you to solidify the information and remember it better. So it's just taking the words and transforming them into a picture helps make connections. And you can see that actually my drawings are not masterpieces. So, I think that the drawing actually is really helpful. So to me, it's helpful to think about the information this way. So if you want to take notes, you don't have to take up all of the space, but it's just the idea that you're creating some little drawings to help make meaning. And I think it's really great. I think that this note-taking strategy I like way more than just using PowerPoint because it helps just solidify this meaning and you look at the information in a dynamic setting. And Mr. Gronlin actually, or Dr. Gronlin, excuse me, has been allowing me to use his camera to do these types of presentations. So I hope that you find it helpful because to me, I think it's the better way to see information and it takes us away from just depending on like Google to find images as well. So I know that my drawing might not please you. Maybe you can create some amazing drawings and show me them in class. But your goal really is just to take notes and to understand the species concept. And then we'll see later that some of these issues influence conservation in environmental science as well. So have a good day. I will see you soon. Bye.